Article 19 ensures the following freedom to all the citizens. Now, what are the freedom to us? We like when we have freedom, when anyone gives us freedom. So, what is Constitution giving us? Article 19 ensures the following freedoms of the citizens. What are they? The first is freedom of speech and expression. The second is freedom to assemble peacefully and without arms. The third is freedom to form association or unions. The fourth comes as freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India, freedom to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India, and freedom to practice any profession or to carry out any occupation, trade or business. But the point that you need to pay attention here is these freedoms are not absolute in nature. They rather come up with some reasonable restrictions. And the following table will explain those reasonable restrictions. With the first column, it enlists the freedom, and the second column describes the restrictions or conditions in which the respective freedom is not applicable. This table will be seen in this video. You can see the table here, and I'll tell you what is the freedom and what are the restrictions to it. Okay? So here comes the first freedom, that is freedom of speech and expression. What's the restriction to it? Sovereignty and the integrity of India, or the security of the state, or friendly relations with the foreign state, or public order, or decency or morality, or contempt of court, or defamation, or incitement to an offence. This is the reasonable restriction for the freedom of speech and expression. Second is the freedom to assemble peacefully and without arms. What is the restriction? Sovereignty and integrity of India or public order. The third comes is freedom to form association or unions. What's the reasonable restriction to it? Sovereignty and integrity of India or public order or morality. The next is about the freedom to move freely throughout the territory of India and freedom to reside and settle in any part of territory of India. The restriction to it is interests of the general public or for the protection of the interest of any scheduled tribe. Next is the freedom to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. This is interest of the general public or the state which has prescribed professional or technical qualifications or state-run trade, business, industry or service which excludes participation of citizens or others either completely or partially.